Introduction. The ASCOD II is the commercial name of the Pizarro II, an improved version of the ASCOD Pizarro infantry fighting vehicle that was unveiled in 2004. Background. The ASCOD II is not necessarily a single variant that has later been adapted to other variants, but rather a modular chassis that variants can be built onto based on the client's requirements. Its foundation was the chassis of the original ASCOD, but has been enlarged, allowing it to carry a heavier payload 6 tons and affording it greater growth potential 7 tons for new armor technologies and variant modules. This is achieved through increasing the physical dimensions of the rear superstructure, more powerful engine, improved suspension, gearbox, and final drive. Development and works were carried out at Dell's Spanish facilities in preparation for a large order of several vehicle variants for the Spanish Army, which was placed in 2004. But later cut back and eliminating several variants. The easiest and most recognizable difference between the ASCOD and ASCOD II are the headlights are embedded in the hull on the ASCOD II. Dells have been actively marketing the vehicle in different variants including Combat Engineer, Launching Bridge Carrier, Infantry Fighting Vehicle, Command Vehicle, and Light-Medium Tanks. Variants and marks. ASCOD Light and Medium Tank. There is a lot of confusion regarding the different ASCOD light and medium tanks. The original ASCOD had at least 2 light tanks. One used the South African LMT 105, aka LIW 105, turret in 1996 and the low-profile turret, LPT, originally developed for the Expeditionary Tank in 1998. The ASCOD II has had 2 different turrets for marketing, one of which is modified and in service. ASCOD II MMBT Medium Tank. ASCOD II Hitvac turret with 120mm smoothbore. ASCOD II Hitvac turret with 120mm smoothbore. The first vehicle was an up-armored ASCOD II sporting an Italian Hitvac turret, armed with a 120mm smoothbore main gun, which had a metallic muzzle beak with dozens of small holes. Pictures of this vehicle are often confused as the LT-105 but are dated as 2018 on Dell's website. Sabro Light Tank. Development started in late 2020 for a new light tank for the Philippine Army. The vehicle features a new turret that can be manned or unmanned, 2-man crew, and has been developed by Israeli firm Elbit Systems, who are the primary contractor and awarded GDLES the contract in 2021 for the ASCOD II hull. The first 9 of the 18 vehicles ordered entered service in early 2024. ASCOD II LT-105 Light Tank. Unveiled in 2023, the LT-105 is almost identical to the Sabra, utilizing the same turret and 105mm rifled main gun, but in a different configuration with additional systems like hardkill active protection. Both vehicles can be easily identified by the smoke grenade launchers being externally mounted on the side of the Sabra's turret, whilst those of LT-105 are embedded in the front of the turret. Other ASCOD variants. Infantry Fighting Vehicle Command Vehicle. ASCOD II with UT-30 Mk2 and Spike. The ASCOD II has been fitted with the Elbit Systems UT-30 Mk2 unmanned turret, armed with a 30mm chain gun and Spike dual launcher. CEV, Combat Engineer Vehicle. ASCOD II Combat Engineer Vehicle. Operated by combat engineers, it has an interchangeable plow and dozer blade used to clear both tank obstacles and minefields. ASCOD II Recovery Vehicle. Featuring a stabilization spade at the front of the hull and anchors on the rear as well as powered winches, the vehicle can recover stranded or stuck 30-ton vehicles. It also features the necessary towing equipment to pull broken down vehicles. On top of the hull is a powered crane used to lift ASCOD II power packs out of broken down vehicles. Bridge Launching Mechanism. ASCOD II Cobra AVLB. The GDLS Cobra bridge launching mechanism has been developed for breaching rivers or obstacles for armored vehicles weighing roughly 30 tons. The system has been installed on both GDLS 8x8 vehicles and ASCOD II. Operators. Spain. Originally developed for Spain's second order of the ASCOD, the number of variants and vehicle numbers was scaled back due to defense cuts. 2X81 VCI infantry fighting vehicles and X36 VCZ engineer vehicles. Philippines. The Philippines Army have ordered a limited number ASCOD II IFV with Elbit Systems UT-30 Mk2 unmanned weapon station as a command vehicle and 18 Sabra light tanks. United Kingdom. UK Ajax. British Army Ajax during winter driving trials. The UK selected the ASCOD II in 2010 as the basis of its Scout SV program to replace the aging CVR-T family of tracked vehicles. The basic requirement has seen the Ajax mature into a family of 6 confirmed variants and a number of tech demonstrators for other roles. The project has had a number of setbacks due to issues with quality, overrun budget and delays, with faults still being found as late as 2023. The Ajax family's development is being overseen by General Dynamic UK, who will also complete production in their UK facilities. Specifications. Characteristic: main gun, 30mm medium caber chine gun to 120mm smoothbore depending on variant. ATGM capability: various depending on variant. Brimstone, spike. Secondary weapons: optional remote weapons station with MG. Ammunition storage: undefined. Engine: 700 horsepower MTU 8V199T21. Transmission: Rank HSLW 256B 6-speed automatic. Top road speed: 70 km/h. Road range: 500 kilometers. Fuel capacity: undefined. Vertical obstacle: undefined. Water capability: undefined. Trench crossing: undefined. Gradient: undefined. Side slope: undefined. Length gun forward: undefined. Length hull: undefined. Width: undefined. Height: undefined. Ground clearance: undefined. Weight: 38 ton. NBC protected. Yes. Standard armors type: steel, modular. Optional add-on armors type: composite. Active protection systems: hard kill. Crew: commander, driver. Infantry: 7.